Good afternoon, Miss Hill. Come on in and have a seat. What I'd like to do is start this session off today by just doing a quick review of our last couple of sessions to refresh our minds. Okay? Yes, ma'am. Okay, so when you first came in, you told me you were only here because your family was concerned about you. You said your husband and children don't feel you're the same person that you once were. You have a feeling of depression, and you feel if you could just drink yourself to sleep, that you could sleep all your problems away. Okay? Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. That's yes, ma'am. Okay. So, Miss Hill, what would you like to talk about today? Let's see if we can carry it on. Okay. So, can you tell me a little more about some of the problems that you're having? Just not quite feeling it. I get you. Yes, ma'am. Okay. Okay, I understand that feeling also. Yes, ma'am, sure do. Okay, so when you first came to see me, you said you was only coming because your family wanted to, but now you're telling me that not only does your family want you here, but you feel like you really need to be coming here. Yes, ma'am. Wow, that's a great step, and you know, you're doing so great. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Okay. All right then. Yes, ma'am, I do understand. What I'm hearing you tell me is that there is something that you can do, or that you would like to do to change, but you're scared of change. Oh, yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Change can be scary. Yes, ma'am. It can be overwhelming at times. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am, I understand how you feel. So let's try to put all these pieces together, shall we? Okay. Alright. So you want things to change, but you're scared. You're scared that if you quit drinking, that you won't know how to cope with the changes that you're going to be going through. Okay? On one hand, you are having problems with every issue in your life, but on the other hand, you're saying, oh, but I'm managing. Yes, ma'am. Okay, let's see. You come to realize that not only does your family want you to come get some help, that you really feel that you need to be here because it's helping. Yes, ma'am. That's awesome. That is so awesome. Yes, ma'am, you're making great progress. Great progress. I feel just that one step that you feel that you need to be here is a very big step. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Okay, Miss Hill, we're about out of time today, but I really appreciate you coming in, and I feel like we're making some very good progress. You're moving right along. You're picking up things. You're getting thoughts in your head that's helping. Yes, ma'am. I would suggest that we just keep doing what we're doing right now, because everything's going pretty good, and just keep that same steady pace we got. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I'd really like to see you next week. I appreciate you coming in today, but I'd really like to see you again next week. But if you feel that the pressure's getting to you and you really need to talk, yes, ma'am, call, just like you did last week. Yes, ma'am, call, set up an appointment. We'll get you right on in. Yes, ma'am. You have a very blessed day.